Hello everyone, I found this cheap keyboard in the street on a pile of rubbish. It's a generic keyboard. It's so generic that even they didn't bother to give it a name. There is no brand name. As you can see, it has 100 timbres, 100 rhythms, and I think probably 10 demo songs, because all these generic have around 10, 12 songs. One key is broken, yellowed keys broken here, as you can see, and the model number, well, there's no model number, but we can call it the 61 key electronic keyboard, 12 volt, 500 milliamps. Key code, and we have a key code which is this number. Patch code 1412. I don't know if that's the manufacturer year. Big crack here, and then the piece missing here. On the back we have USB, unpopulated the USB port, output left and right, phones, and the DC jack, which is 12 volt center positive. Big another crack here. This also one key is working here. So before we clean it, let's see if it works or not. I got 12 volt power adapter here. We'll connect it here, and we'll see. This is the power on off switch. It turns on, LED is on. Yeah, it works. So this key doesn't work. This key hard to press, all the rest working. This one probably I will remove it to the side here, or here. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. This we can fix it. Maybe I will cut or 3D print something for this one. It's a cheap keyboard, so it doesn't worth my time, but we will give it a clean, and we will see what's inside. First, let's see the sounds one by one. So we'll do it quickly. I'm not gonna bother with the sound. Just lower the volume. That's fine. This is the first one is piano. Sounds, they look very similar, as if they were repeating. Like it feels like I heard this sounds earlier. Did we? Same with this one. Is this piano? sounds are very similar. This is the rhythm. I'm not gonna play all the rhythm, don't worry. Just a quick fill in. Even the rhythm sounds similar. Okay, so we have sustain. We have vibrato. Ah, the vibrato is nice. Vibrato and sustain. It was vibrato and sustain. It feels like the vibrato is very slow. Keyboard percussion. Even though we already have percussion here, you get extra stuff. I don't know, are they repeated? Split. So how to go back to split. Null play. Program, play and record. One key ensemble. And we have demo, one song and all. So you can change the instrument. That's the second. The third one. 10 demo songs. I'm not gonna play them all because they are not interesting. Also, there's a horrible echoing in the speakers because this is cheap plastic. So let's take it apart and see what's inside. So this is it, as cheap as it could be. This is the main board, the main processor. All the sounds are here. This is the amplification board, LCD module, and the speakers. I will open the keyboard, clean it, and try to push this as far as possible. Do this one, the broken key. And I also will use epoxy to glue the broken pieces, and I will also wash it with the hose probably. The speakers are warped, that's why they make horrible sound. Water damage. So this is the keyboard. I fixed the cracks and I glued them, even the one at the back. I didn't bother to fix the key, the broken key. We'll leave it like that for now. And here it is, working. Thank you for watching.